And I pray for justice. In Sunday, Igbo's house, the advocate for the Yoruba's freedom, when the DSS people invaded his house, some people were killed, I think 2 people. And last week, judgment was given in his favor, 20 billion. See why 20 billion? Where he was arrested, he was released there. Now Nnamdi was arrested and brought to Nigeria. And before he ran away, do you know how many people that were killed in his house? So if 2 people were killed and 20 billion should be paid to Sunday Igbo's family, how much do you think should be paid? So you can't say we should stop calling his name. He's one of my children. I should be calling his name. What crime did he commit that nobody has ever not committed? I'm not making him a saint either. But I'm saying, with fairness, with equity, the man is crying over the evil in this country. Nigeria is one of the best countries in the whole world. There's no need for these sufferings. We have the best land for agriculture in the whole world. We have the best waters. We have the best ingenious brains in the world. Courageous youths who can do anything to become rich. Look for them in Nigeria. Why can't they be transmutated, transformed, and transfigured into profitable purposes? Engage them significantly and meaningfully. And you are busy looking for those to kill. How many are you going to kill? There are thousands who are more tough than Nnamdi Kanu. In Yoruba land, in Hausa land, in Igbo land, Nnamdi is just a spokesperson. He has never touched an ant. So what is he doing there? You think you have arrested who? Even when he has announced the sit at home should stop, people should begin to go for businesses on Monday. But now go out. Even government houses are locked up on Monday. Okay? But Nnamdi is still there, asking that everybody should go out on Monday to school, to businesses. So Nnamdi Kanu is not the problem. So Igbo leaders should rise up. Come together and go for your brother. Go for our brother, go for our son. Look for where he is. Nnamdi Kanu is a gift to Nigeria. We can't lose him like that. Such an ingenious brain, such a courageous brain cannot be wasted. If the roads are working fine, will he say there's no road?